Hello all, in this video we are going to discuss about biofuels. It is 10th August, it is the World Biofuel Day. So it commemorates the event by Sir Rudolph Diesel, who has conducted operation of an engine on peanut oil in 1893. So let's see what are biofuels. Biofuels are derived from the biomass of plant or animal waste, commonly from corn, sugarcane and animal waste like cow dung. So all these particles which had life in it. So henceforth biofuels. So all these biofuels are renewable sources. So what are renewable sources? Let's see. Renewable sources are those which replenish themselves, means they get recharged or they get replaced very quickly, unlike petroleum which takes millions of years to form. So replenish themselves over time through natural process, unlike non-renewable resources. So what are biofuels? Ethanol blending is the most prominent one of biofuels. So let's see how ethanol blending happens. So first, to form ethanol, we take the residue of crops like sorry. So we take residue of crops like sugarcane and corn, and the fermentation happens. Through fermentation, the byproduct will be ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol. Ethanol is an ethyl alcohol. So then the ethyl alcohol or the ethanol is mixed with petroleum. If it is mixed with petroleum 10%, for example, if you say, it reduces, so the 10% of this petroleum is ethanol. Ethanol, when mixed with petroleum, it reduces carbon content in it. So with the reduction of carbon content, there will be reduction of emission as well. So the second example of biofuels is biodiesel. So biodiesel is produced from cooking oil, yellow grease or animal fats. In the production process, cooking oil or fat is burnt with alcohol in the presence of catalyst. Catalyst is nothing but a chemical. In this catalyst will be, there are many catalysts. So if I give you one of the example, it is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is one of the catalysts which will help in the production of biodiesel. So let's see the importance of biofuels. Energy security. India is the third largest consumer of crude oil in the world. 83% of our crude oil consumption is import dependency. If we have the varieties of biofuels produced in India, for example, let's say ethanol blending, if we have more and more ethanol blending in our fuel, we'll even don't have to depend much on foreign countries for our own crude consumption. So let's see the second point, economic benefits. It will increase farm incomes because it even addresses challenges of sales and storage associated with overproduction of food grains and sugar. For example, if you take the sugar will deteriorate very fast compared to other crops. So we can sell sugar directly to this ethanol blending companies or the players who are associated with this ethanol blending. Even we could sell crop residue as well, because crop residue is also a primary input in biofuels. Environmental benefits, better waste management and low carbon emission. I have said you waste management, waste for example, if you see in agriculture, crop residue is a waste. So crop residue we could use in biofuels. So the biofuels have low emissions, low greenhouse gases. Low carbon emissions means it will address climate change. So what are these GHGs, which is nothing but greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are nothing but those gases such as carbon dioxide or methane or nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons. These are all the examples of greenhouse gases.